my channel. Today I'm going to share with you another one of Malaysian delicacy where this recipe is famous among Chinese, and today I'm going to make my own version of this recipe called Savoury Tzung. So let's start making. First of all, I have this 300 grams of pork. I use the loin, yeah, and I cut this size, yeah. I'm gonna season this with 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon, and half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar. I'm using brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder, and 1 teaspoon of dark sauce, yeah. So what we do is we're gonna mix that one. Okay, and lastly I'm gonna add in a dash of pepper. Okay, and then we mix this, and after this we're gonna fry this, yeah. First of all, I need some oil, 2 tablespoons of oil, and I have these shallots. So what we do is we're gonna put this one inside. We're gonna fry this one first with dried prawns, 50 grams. So we fry this one until become golden color and aromatic, yeah. So guys, it's already brown, so we're gonna dish it out, yeah. Okay, so now I need 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic. You saute this until it become brownish, then you can put in our meat, yeah. Okay, now you can see that. Now we can add in our mushroom. I have this 10 mushrooms and I cut it into half, yeah. So we put in, and also I have this chestnuts. Put it inside, yeah. I just need a little bit of water. And lastly, I'm gonna add in this one with oyster sauce. So we're gonna dish this one out, guys, to get ready for the rice, yeah. I need some oil, and now I'm gonna put this garlic, 1 tablespoon of garlic. Saute this until it become brown. Okay, now what we do is I have this glutinous rice. I soak it for a few hours. 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, and some dark sauce, and 1.5 teaspoon of 5 spice powder. And now what we do is we're gonna just mix this. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna dish this one out, and we start doing the wrapping. So first of all, I have this dried bamboo. Normally when you buy this one, it's inside the plastic and it's dried. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna soak this one with water overnight until they become like this. And after you soak, you just wipe it nicely, clean this one, and this is the result, yeah. So now we're gonna start wrapping the dumpling, yeah. So first of all, we have to do like this, yeah. And we put 1 tablespoon of rice, and make sure you have to press it harder. We don't want any space, yeah. And now we're gonna put 1 each, 1 pork, the meat, 1 mushrooms, and 1 chestnuts, and we have to put a little bit of gravy, And now we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of mixture of the shallots and the dried prawns, and also 1 teaspoon of red beans. You can use the black eye beans, yeah, it's your choice what you want to put, yeah. And also what we do is we put 1 more tablespoon of rice just to cover all this. Okay, and now we're gonna wrap this, yeah. So what we do is just fold it. Okay, fold and make sure that it's all close, guys, yeah. And fold it back and tie. Make sure that you tie it tightly. So it's supposed to be like this. Yes. And now what we do is we cut this extra leaves, yeah. We don't want that. Mushroom, meat, and 1 chestnut, a little bit of gravy, shallot, and 1 teaspoon of red bean, and rice again on top. So actually it's supposed to be like that, yeah. And now you have to fold it. So guys, now we're gonna continue wrapping all this until everything is done, and then we're gonna show you the steaming part, yeah. Okay guys, I finished wrapping all the dumpling, the tzung. So now I'm gonna tie up all this. Okay, now we're gonna, actually it's not steam guys, we have to boil this, yeah. So now I have this boiling water, at least half of the pot that you're gonna boil. Before I put my dumplings, I have to put 1 tablespoon of salt, and now we're gonna put all the dumpling inside, the tzung inside, yeah. So guys, it's supposed to be like this, yeah. You really have to cover them with water. And now we're gonna boil this one. Firstly, we have to put our fire into full flame, and after that, when you can see it boiling, so then you have to slow down your fire, yeah. Slow flame and boil it for at least 3 hours, yeah. So guys, this is the final result of my savory tzung, and actually I boiled this for 2.5 hours, and after I boiled it, I took it out from the pot with water and I drained them thoroughly, and this is the result, and this is what it looks like inside. Okay, look at that, it looks so mouth-watering, and I tell you, it's really worth trying this recipe. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you will like and share, and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes. Bye guys.